Are you thinking about selling your home in Puerto Rico? Whether you're relocating, upgrading, or simply looking to take advantage of the vibrant real estate market, selling a home can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process and introduce you to the team that will make it all effortless. Puerto Rico Real Estate. Let's break it down into 5 simple steps to successfully sell your property in Puerto Rico. Step 1. Prepare your home for sale. First impressions matter. Declutter, make necessary repairs, and consider staging your home to attract potential buyers. Professional photos and videos can make all the difference when marketing your property. Step 2. Determine the right price. Pricing your home correctly is key to attracting serious buyers. This involves a market analysis of similar properties in your area. Puerto Rico Real Estate provides a comprehensive comparative market analysis to help you set the best price. Step 3. Market your property. You need more than just a for sale sign. From online listings to social media campaigns, marketing your home effectively ensures it reaches the right audience. We'll talk more about how Puerto Rico Real Estate excels in this area later. Step 4. Negotiate offers. Once offers start coming in, it's time to negotiate. This step requires experience and knowledge to ensure you get the best deal. Leave the stress to the experts. Step 5. Close the deal. The final step includes title verification, legal documentation, and transferring ownership. Working with a notary and an experienced real estate team ensures everything goes smoothly. Now, selling a home isn't without its challenges. You might encounter title issues, lowball offers, or difficulties with inspections and appraisals. That's where Puerto Rico Real Estate comes in. At Puerto Rico Real Estate, we pride ourselves on making the selling process stress-free and successful. Here's what we offer. Expert pricing guidance. We conduct a detailed market analysis to set the right price, ensuring your home sells quickly and at the best value. Professional marketing. Our team uses professional photographers, videographers, and even drone footage to showcase your home's best features. We market your property on top platforms, social media, and through our exclusive network, Local Market Knowledge. With years of experience in Puerto Rico's real estate market, we know what buyers are looking for and how to position your property for maximum appeal. Negotiation expertise. From navigating offers to counteroffers, we handle negotiations with confidence, ensuring your interests are always protected. Seamless closing process. We work with trusted notaries and attorneys to manage all legal and administrative aspects, so you don't have to worry about a thing. If you're ready to sell your home in Puerto Rico, let Puerto Rico Real Estate be your trusted partner. With our expert team and proven strategies, we'll make sure your property sells for the best price in the shortest time possible. Call us today at 787-598-4024 or visit www.puertoricorealestateforsale.com to get started. Your dream buyer is out there, and we're here to connect you with them. Let's make it happen. Puerto Rico Real Estate, your trusted partner for selling your home. Call 787-598-4024 or visit www.puertoricorealestateforsale.com.